Welcome to English 101, the art of academic writing. Hello, class. In today's lesson, we'll focus on how expository writing helps new writers develop stronger critical thinking, collaboration, and communication, which will tie into our first peer review workshop, where these skills will be used while reading and analyzing your classmates' first drafts. We must be mindful of what expository writing is. It is a professional form of communication that delivers logical, clear, and evidence-based information. This form of writing is prevalent in many areas of life, such as news reports, how-to guides, and technical manuals. The key to expository writing is an objective narrative that is built upon evidence and structure. Expository writing teaches students several strengths, including critical thinking, professional language, and scholarly research. These are transferable skills that are part of my teaching philosophy, which supports individual voices and fosters critical thinking, peer collaboration, and reflective practice. Today's module explores how peer review can be an engaging and valuable opportunity to collaborate with other students. Your first drafts, which should be between 3 to 5 pages long, with a minimum of 2 reference sources, will be exchanged among a small group of your peers, where you will read and analyze each other's work, including their thesis statement, paragraph development, and proper MLA citation. This activity encourages students to learn from peers while strengthening their own writing. Be a good sport when giving feedback. This includes being tactful when delivering critiques and avoiding vague comments like, "good job," by justifying your observations, such as, "the author presents a strong thesis supported by scholarly evidence." This effort shows respect towards your peers while giving them clear guidance on what they can improve for the future. In academic writing, it's important to avoid addressing your peers in second person, since it is seen as too casual and alienating. Instead, refer to your peers by name or third person, such as "the writer notes" or "they demonstrate." This language maintains objectivity, reinforcing academic professionalism. MLA citation is important when writing expository papers because it maintains consistency and integrity in academic writing. Ensure the author has the necessary elements to citing their sources, including hanging indents, 1-inch margins, double spacing, and punctuation accuracy. When completing your peer review worksheet in class, identify the thesis, note the paper's strengths, and provide at least 2 concrete suggestions. Remember to be specific, objective, and respectful. This exercise supports formative learning, letting students learn by evaluating work and deepening their understanding of writing criteria. After this workshop, you'll be assigned to submit a short reflection paper discussing the most valuable feedback you received from your peers, what you chose to incorporate or not incorporate to your paper, and why. This builds metacognitive awareness, teaching students to be conscious of how they learn and make decisions. Today's lesson highlights how collaboration and constructive dialogue enhance expository writing. Through peer review, you've practiced active listening, objectivity, and clarity, skills that extend far beyond this classroom. Strong writing reflects not just knowledge, but engagement with others' ideas and respect for the learning process. This lesson includes a reference from the St. Louis Community College's Writing Center titled "Point of View in Academic Writing." Thank you for your participation and have a wonderful week.